Hey class, today we are continuing in similarity, particularly similar triangles according to the property SAS. Okay, so let's get started. Make sure to keep this video as short and painless as possible. So today we're going to be talking about triangle similarity by SAS. What does SAS stand for? Well, it stands for side, angle, side. So remember, we've had similarity by angle, angle, by side, 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 and now side, angle, side. Okay? Now, what is the side, angle, side similarity theorem? Well, essentially, if an angle of one triangle is congruent to an angle of a second triangle, and the lengths of the sides, including these angles, are proportional, then the triangles are similar. So in other words, the adjacent sides, okay? Then the triangles are similar. So if angle X is congruent to angle M, then the ratios of XY to MN must be the same as XZ to MP. Or they wrote it like this, ZX PM, XY MN. Yeah, it's fine, okay? If that's true, then they are similar. Okay, so how do we use this? Okay, how do we use this? Well, if you are looking at these two triangles here, right? It says you have these two triangles, FGH and ABC, right? Well, we know in these two triangles, angle F is 53 and angle A is 53. Well, we want to see to make sure that this one is similar to that, right? So, well, the first thing we know is, well, these two angles are similar. So then we want to test the ratio 6 to 9. Is it the same as 10 to 15? Well, when I do that, right, AB is what? 9 over 6, right? 9 over 6, AB to FG. And that's 3 over 2. AC, FH is what? 15 over 10, which is also 3 over 2. I apologize for my phone. It's also 3 over 2, okay? So the lengths of the sides that include A and F are proportional, therefore the two triangles are similar. Okay, so then we can know that the two triangles are similar, which means we can construct the right end so that it is similar to the left end. Okay? Okay. So how do I use it here, right? Use the SAS similarity theorem to show that ABC is similar to DEC. Okay, all right. So here's the thing. It's like, wait, Mr. Shu, I'm not given any equal angles here. Well, you need to remember from way back when we were talking about angles that vertical angles are congruent. So this angle is congruent to this angle. Okay? This one and that one. So in other words, right? ACB, right? ACB and ACB and DCE are both congruent. Okay, ACB and DCE are congruent. So these two angles are congruent. So then I compare the ratios of the sides. The shorter side, BC, with the shorter side, EC, right? 9, 15, which is 3 over 5. And then CA and what? CD, which is what? 18 over 30, which is 3 over 5. Since these two numbers are the same, and we have a pair of equal angles, then by SAS, ABC and DEC are similar triangles. Okay? Okay, cool. Hopefully that was good enough for you to be able to do your homework. Your homework is here. All right, show that the indicated triangles are similar. You only have 2 problems today. Good luck, and I'll see you later today.